Welcome back. We have 2 topics left to cover. And the next one sounds a little bit like I'm paranoid. Don't trust anyone. And if we go to the next slide, it's completely empty because this image required the full screen. All right, what is happening here? Now, throughout all the security videos, you might have realized something. We just can't trust anything. We can't assume that there's good people everywhere and that everything's going to work out as expected with our code. So anywhere there is a connection with an outside system or an outside user input, URL paths, post parameters, cookies, headers, file uploads, emails, form fields, tons and tons of things. Inputs come from many, many places. And we have to assume that not everybody's going to enter what they're supposed to enter. So in any process that we have where there's a connection between systems, we have to assume that there's Darth Vader over here just watching you, trying to be really, really bad. So you have to make sure that, well, when you build software, you don't trust anybody. And I know it sounds paranoid, but the idea is to write good code and be smart about what you're allowed to do. Here's an example. Server. Maybe I've allowed my server to have requests from this domain. I've set my headers using Helmet. I'm using HTTPS. I'm pretty sure we're good. Well, if somehow Darth Vader over here gets access to the client and the domain name, he can perhaps just bombard your server with request after request after request after request until it crashes your server. And then, oh yeah, you just lost a ton of money because your server now can't run that shopping cart anymore. And then again, you have to realize, oh yeah, maybe I should add a rate limiter, like the rate limiter package from NPM that allows us to make sure that we can't just keep requesting to the server. And there's so many cases that you just can't keep track of. The best thing you can do is just keep that in mind as you write your software. Anytime you're making a connection to the outside world or accepting input from the outside world, think about it. How can you prevent bad actors from doing bad things? How can you protect the baby from Darth Vader? I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.